get enough of you. No, the things that I would do under the water. I'm sinking far.